Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add a border on a photo in Photoshop. We start by opening Photoshop with our image. Next, we will go to the image section and then click on Canvas Size. Here we start by activating the relative option. Then, in width and height, we will determine the size of the border. In this case, we are going to give a value close to 100. Finish applying the changes with OK. We will see that a border has been created around our photo. After this, to give color to the border, we are going to create a new fill layer of type solid color. Next, a color picker will open where we can choose the border color and apply the changes. Finally, we will drag this color layer below our image so that the edges show. By double-clicking on this layer, you can change its color whenever you need. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.